Guys, in this video I want to walk you through how to install BitDefender on server 2025. I've got a box right here. I want to throw some protection on it. Doesn't have a lot of resources, as you can tell, so bear with me because this might produce some hiccups, but I went ahead and purchased BitDefender. So I am going to go ahead and see about logging in and getting my activation key. So the first thing to do after you purchase, I went through a third party. You can do it from BitDefender themselves, but I went to a third party. So let me create an account. Type this in. All right, I got my password set up with email. So I'll go ahead and click create account. Awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have an activation code, so I'll go ahead and enter that. And activate. Perfect. Found my activation. I've got 5 devices for a whole year. I'll confirm that. Awesome. It found it. So this is the premium side of BitDefender, so it includes some extra stuff. And I will go ahead and click install on a new device. Okay, let me try this again. Download. Let's get it here. All right, let's go ahead and authenticate with the administrator account. Ooh, ha, wrong password. Stand by. Let's see if that's the one. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and get this installed now. I want to agree. Install. Should probably keep an eye on this here. Yeah, we're already hitting 2 gigs on the memory. Ooh, this may not behave. All right, so it's starting the download process, and we'll be back. All right, just about finished here. Preparing BitDefender. Probably got a lot of things going on. All right, the processor is chewing up here, and it wants us to authenticate again. All right, we'll let that continue on here. What we got here? Something happening. Okay, so it wants to remove Defender. Fine, we'll do that. All right, let's see if it's logging anything on the uninstall. Might be this one here. Yeah. All right, we'll give it a few more minutes. Yeah, I think it's this Windows modules installer. that's working in the background. It is Windows Defender, so I'm not going to assume that it's going to be a quick uninstall. So give it a few more minutes here. Okay, so it looks like that Windows module installer finally disappeared, and we finally got a uninstall complete over here. It wants us to reboot. I'm going to see if I can continue on without rebooting. And let's see if it'll do the installation of BitDefender now. All right, we're approaching 6%. Looks like it had dropped the network for a little bit, but we'll let it keep going here. All right, I'm moving this. Okay. Ooh. Up to 15%, 16%, 20%. Just hit above 70% now, 72%. All right, looks like we're done here. We got installed. We can do a device assessment, so I guess it'll do like a baseline scan right now. There's a service that got started, and this might actually chew up some resources. I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess. All right, I guess it started the baseline analysis, and for this part here, I think we're just gonna let this run. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Let this run. This is basically a walkthrough. If you want to mimic this on your own end, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward once you have the activation key. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.